Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our zoology online class. Hope you are very happy and hope you are studying the last class study portion. Okay. So, dear students, in the last class we studied about the digestion in small intestine. Okay. So, already I told you the digestion process is takes place inside the mouth, inside the stomach, and also inside the small intestine. Okay. So, the maximum food materials are digested inside the small intestine only. So, in the last class we studied about the digestion in small intestine. Okay, so hope you are studying these question answers, and today we are going to study about another one topic. The topic name is absorption and assimilation. Yeah, absorption and assimilation. So first I am going to say about the definition for the word absorption. Absorption meaning it's a process by which the end product of the digestion is entered inside the blood and limb through the intestinal mucosa. Okay, so mucus pulp is present in the intestine. So the after the digestion process is over, all the food materials are entering inside the blood or entering inside the limb. Okay, some food materials, food substances are entering inside the blood, and some food substances are entering inside the limb through the intestinal mucosa. So this process is called absorption. Okay, so absorption meaning is a process by which the end product of the digestion is entered inside the blood and limb through the intestinal mucosa is called digestion. Sorry, absorption is called absorption. So now we studied about the definition for the word absorption. Then next, the absorbing unit. Okay, when we studied about the structure of alimentary canal, I told you in the ileum region of the small intestine. Okay, small intestine has three regions: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. So, the ileum region, the mucous membrane present in the ileum region consists of many small projections. Many small hair-like projections are there. They are called villi. Okay, so here the villi is present in the ileum region of the small intestine is called absorbing unit. Okay, so what are the food materials digested inside the small intestine? Everything are absorbed by the villi present in the ileum region. Understand of you? So this is the second point about this topic. And that point is see, actually villi is a small, it's a hair-like structure, or it's a hair-like projects. Okay, so in the center region, a duct or a tube-like structure is present. So inside each and every villi, in the center region, middle region, a small duct-like structure is there. This duct name is called lacteal duct. Okay, and this lacteal duct is surrounded by many small blood capillaries. Okay, so in the center region of the villi, a duct or tube is present. This duct is called lacteal duct, and this duct is surrounded by many small blood capillaries. Understand a few? Understand? So dear students, now we have studied three important points, 3 points about this absorption. Then there are three types of absorption we can see inside the alimentary canal. Okay, the major three types. Okay, there are three major types of absorptions are there. They are active absorption, passive absorption, and facilitated transport. Okay, active absorption, passive absorption, and facilitated transport. So these are the major types of absorption. Okay, then next, now we are going to study about what are the food substances are absorbed by what process. Okay, what method of absorption. See, for example, a small amount of glucose, amino acid, and chlorides. Okay, small amount of glucose, amino acid, and chlorides are absorbed by a process called simple diffusion. Okay, not all the glucose molecule, a small portion or small amount of glucose molecule, amino acids, and the chlorides are absorbed by a process by the mucous membrane by a process called simple diffusion. Okay, then next point, see fructose. Okay, these fructose molecules cannot be directly absorbed by the mucous membrane. Okay, cannot be directly absorbed by the mucous membrane. So to absorb these fructose molecule, the fructose molecules are need a carrier molecule. Okay, so with the help of a carrier ions or carrier molecules only, the fructose molecules can be absorbed. Here, sodium ions. Okay, sodium ions are acting as a carrier molecule. So the fructose are absorbed with the help of carrier molecules like sodium. Understand a few? Then more amount of glucose and sodium are absorbed by active transport process. Okay, so more amount of, already I told you, some amount of glucose is absorbed by simple diffusion, and maximum glucose and sodium are absorbed by active transport. Okay, then next point. The fatty acid, glycerol and fat soluble vitamins. Listen very carefully. Fatty acid, glycerol and fat soluble vitamins. These substances cannot be directly absorbed by the mucous membrane, intestinal mucosa. Okay, so to absorb these three substances, first these three substances are converted into a water soluble droplets. Okay, so the fatty acid, glycerol and fat soluble vitamins are first incorporated or converted into a water soluble droplets. Okay, these water soluble droplets are called micelles. These water soluble droplets are called micelles. Then these micelles are absorbed by the intestinal mucosa. Then these micelles are absorbed by the intestinal mucosa, and inside this intestinal mucosa, these micelles are again converted into a protein coated fat molecule. Protein coated fat molecule. These protein coated fat molecules are called chylomicrons. These protein coated fat molecules are called chylomicrons. So dear students, once again repeat this point. See, the fatty acid, glycerol and fat soluble vitamins are not directly absorbed by the intestinal mucosa. So first it is converted into a water soluble droplets. Okay, name of this water soluble droplets is called micelles. Okay, then these micelles are absorbed by the intestinal mucosa, and inside this intestinal mucosa it is resynthesized. Okay, it is resynthesized into a protein coated fat molecule called chylomicrons. Okay, then these chylomicrons are entering inside the lacteal duct, entering inside the lymphatic duct. Understand you? Then from the lymphatic duct it is entering inside the blood. Okay, so hope you are understood this point. Then the water soluble, next substance. Water soluble vitamins are maximum absorbed by simple diffusion process or active transport process. The water soluble vitamins are maximum absorbed by simple diffusion or active transport method. Understand you? Then next, maximum absorption process takes place inside the mouth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. There are many organs are present in our alimentary canal. Okay, but the absorption, the food substance are absorbed. Some amount of food substance are absorbed inside the mouth. Some amount of food substance are absorbed inside the stomach, and more amount of food substance are absorbed inside the small intestine, and a few amount of food substance are absorbed in the large intestine. So mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So these organs are acting as a site for absorption, and maximum food substance are absorbed inside the small intestine. Understand you? Understand? So hope you are understood all these points. Then next point, see, sugar. Okay, some amount of sugar and alcohol and medicine. Some amount of sugar, alcohol and medicine. These substances are absorbed by stomach. These substances are absorbed inside the stomach. Then next, some drugs. Okay, certain drugs are absorbed by the mucous membrane present in the mouth, and also the small blood capillaries present in the posterior side of the tongue. Okay, so the small blood capillaries present in the posterior region of the tongue and the mucous membrane present in the mouth absorbing some certain types of drugs. Okay, then next point, water, vitamins and some different types of drugs are absorbed by large intestine. Okay, water, vitamin and some kinds of drugs are absorbed by the large intestine, absorbed inside the large intestine. Okay, then next point, see, all the absorbed substances, what are the substances absorbed inside the small intestine? Everything are finally transported to the liver through the hepatic portal system. Okay, so through the hepatic portal system, all the absorbed substances are entering or transported to the liver. From the liver only, these food substances are transported to other tissues and other cells. Okay, so from the liver, the food substances are transported to all the other parts of the body. Okay, when these substances are entering inside the cells are utilizing these food substances to produce energy. And some food substances become a cellular components. That means some substances are acting as a parts of the protoplasm. Understand of you? Understand? So once I repeat this point, all the absorbed food substances are transported to the liver through the hepatic portal system. Then from the liver, these substances are transported to all the other parts of the body. Okay, when these substances are entered inside the cells, these substances providing energy. That means the cells are using these food substances to produce energy, and in some cells, these substances become the component of a protoplasm. So this process is called assimilation. This process is called assimilation. So hope you are understood all the points about this absorption and assimilation. Understand a few? Dear students, many one more questions are there. For example, what is the duct present in the middle region of the villi? Okay, lacteal duct. So one more question. The maximum food substances are absorbed in which region of the alimentary canal, small intestine? Like that, many one more questions are there. Okay, and the definition for the word absorption is a 2-mark question, and this definition for this word assimilation also 2-mark question. Understand? So hope you all understood this absorption and assimilation process. Then now we are going to study about one more small topic, digestion. Okay, one more small topic, digestion. See, all the digestive waste material. Okay, when the digestion process takes place inside this mouth, small intestine, large intestine, also inside the stomach, some waste materials are produced. Okay, so all the digestive waste materials and undigested food materials. Okay, all the digestive waste materials and undigested food materials are passed into the large intestine from the ileum. Okay, moving or transported to the next organ, transported to the large intestine. Understand a few? And maximum these unabsorbed or undigested food material contains more amount of fibers. Okay, these fibers are called wreckage. These fibers are called wreckage. So the undigested or the waste food materials or contains more amount of fibers. These fibers are called wreckage. Understand a few? Understand? Then the next point about this digestion is same. The waste materials which are present in the large intestine is solidified. Okay, is solidified in the form of small fecal matters. In the form of fecal matter. See, the waste materials or the undigested food materials which are present in the large intestine is solidified into what? Fecal matter. That means motion. Okay, it's converted into fecal matter, otherwise called the human waste. Understand? And these waste material, these fecal matters are formed inside the rectum region of the large intestine. Inside the rectum region of the large intestine. Understand a few? Then the next point. The digestion of waste materials or digestion of these fecal matters through the anus. Okay, anus is the last part of the alimentary canal. Okay, through the anal opening or through the anus is called defecation. Is called defecation. So the digestion of waste material through the anus is called defecation. Understand? This defecation process is initiated by some neural signals. Okay, initiated by some neural signals or neural reflexes. Okay, neural reflexes. That means there are some nerves controlling the process of digestion, and it's a voluntary process. Okay, it is a voluntary process. Digestion is a voluntary process. Voluntary process means we can control. Understand a few? Understand? So dear students, today we have completed 2 topics. The first topic is absorption and assimilation, and the last topic is digestion. Understand? So hope you all understood today's class and try to complete these 2 question answers today itself. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.